Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsa Nur Fitria with student ID number 2306039 from class A3 of the elementary school teacher education program. Here I will present the contents of the proposal that I have prepared. Title. The title of this research is Development of Flipbook Media using the Problem-Based Learning Model to Improve Descriptive Text Writing Skills of 4th grade elementary school students. The title indicates that the study is a development research focusing on the creation of digital learning media in the form of a flipbook. The media is integrated with the problem-based learning model to help improve the descriptive text writing skills of 4th grade elementary school students. The next is background of the study. Writing skills are one of the important language skills that need to be developed from elementary school. However, the descriptive text writing ability of 4th grade students is still relatively low. Students experience difficulties in developing ideas, choosing appropriate vocabulary, and organizing sentences coherently. This condition is caused by learning activities that are still conventional and have not utilized interactive digital media. Therefore, learning innovation is needed in the form of flipbook media based on the problem-based learning model, which can present learning materials in an interesting and contextual way and actively engage students in the writing process. Research question. Based on the background of the study, the research problems are formulated as follows. 1. How is the process of developing flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model? 2. How is the feasibility of the flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model according to experts and practitioners? 3. How effective is the flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model? 4. How do students respond to the use of flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model in improving the writing skills of 4th grade elementary school students? Next is research objectives. Based on the research question, this study aims to 1. Determine the development process of flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model. 2. Determine the feasibility of flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model according to experts and practitioners. 3. Determine the effectiveness of flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model. 4. Determine students' response to the use of flipbook media for descriptive text materials using the problem-based learning model in improving the descriptive writing skills of 4th grade elementary school students. Research benefits. This research is expected to provide benefits of various parties. For teachers, the developed flipbook media can serve as an alternative and reference for innovative learning media. For students, the media is expected to increase motivation and improve descriptive text writing skills. For school, the research result can help improve the quality of learning and support the use of digital media in the teaching and learning process. Operational definition. This study used three main terms, namely flipbook media, the problem-based learning model, and then descriptive text writing skills. Flipbook media is a digital learning material in the form of an electronic book presented visually and interactively to help students understand descriptive text materials. The problem-based learning model is a student-centered learning model that utilizes contextual problems as a means of learning. Descriptive text writing skills refers to students' ability to compose written text that describe objects clearly, coherently, and in detail based on appropriate structure and language rules. Theoretical framework. The theoretical framework in this study includes theories related to flipbook media, the problem-based learning model, and descriptive text writing skills. Flipbook media is considered an effective digital learning medium because it can present material attractively and increase students' learning motivation. The problem-based learning model emphasizes problem-based learning that encourages students to think critically, actively, and independently. Meanwhile, descriptive text writing skills are language skills that require mastery of vocabulary, sentence structure, and the ability to organize ideas systematically. The integration of flipbook media with the problem-based learning model is expected to support the improvement of students' descriptive text writing skills. Next is hypothesis. The hypothesis of this study is that flipbook media using the problem-based learning model can improve the descriptive text writing skills of 4th grade elementary school students. This hypothesis is formulated based on the theoretical studies and the result of relevant previous research. Research method. This study used the research and development method, which aims to produce a learning media product. This method is chosen because it not only tests theories but also produce products that can be directly used in learning. The stages include 1. Preliminary study and literature review, 2. Media design, 3. Focus group discussion and expert validation to obtain feedback on the initial draft, 4. Limited trial, 5. First revision based on the limited trial result, 6. Without trial, 7. Revalidation and second revision to refine the product, 8. Final product testing. Research subject and location. 1. The limited trial was conducted at State Elementary School Tuchiraja involving 10 4th grade students. 2. The without trial was conducted at State Elementary School involving 13 4th grade students. 3. The characteristic of the research subject are students who have not fully mastered descriptive text writing skills. Research instruments. The research instruments consist of test and non-test instruments. The test instruments is an essay writing test to measure students' descriptive text writing skills. The non-test instruments include student response questionnaire and documentation used to obtain supporting data related to the use of flipbook media. Research procedures. The research procedures are carried out through several stages, namely the preparation stage, the implementation stage involving media development and trials, and the evaluation stage. Each stage is conducted systematically, starting from media design, limited and without trials, to product revision based on validation result and user response. Data analysis procedures. The data obtained in this study are analyzed using descriptive statistics to describe the development result and student response, and inferential statistics to determine the effectiveness of flipbook media in improving students' descriptive text writing skills. And then research schedule. The research schedule is arranged to manage the timing of each research stage, starting from 1. Proposal preparation, 2. Preliminary study and literature review, 3. Focus group discussion and first validation product design, 4. Limited trial and product revision, 5. Without trial, second validation and product revision, 6. Product testing, 7. Thesis writing, so that research can be conducted in a planned and systematic manner. So that is all for the video I would like to present. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.